Hi, it's Michelle, Mummy from the Heart. So back with my slime Q&A, and today we are going to have a look at if the Air Wick 6-in-1 crisp linen works as an activator. There it is. So this was only £1 and you've got 240 mils there. So if it works as an activator, it's going to be a really cheap way of making slime. I would say make sure you're doing it in a room that's well ventilated, because it's not great to be doing aerosols too much. So you saw me put the glue in. I'm now just going to literally put the Air Wick on top. Straight away it seems to be coming together. I don't know if maybe I put too much in. I was assuming that I would need quite a bit, but it's just like glue. Let's put a bit more glue in. Oops. Just in case I put too much of the Air Wick, we'll go for some more glue. Things are pretty whiffy in here now. I can definitely see the difference when I add it, but then it just goes back to that again. I wonder if it needs a bit of bicarb like other things do. No, that doesn't seem to be making a lot of difference either. So no, it's getting thicker. A bit more. Okay, yeah. This is definitely now coming together. It just means that you need an awful lot of the Air Wick to make it work, and if I'm honest with you, it's not feeling very nice in here with that too much Air Wick smell. So I'd say this is one to do outside. Still very sticky. You can see it is coming together, but I mean, I couldn't take it out yet, and if you like a sticky one you could. You just have to keep mixing and mixing until, there we go. Too sticky for me. I think this is the kind of slime it would be good to leave for a day or so and let it firm up a little bit and then have a play with it. I find that with some glue slimes, if you leave them a day. So yes, Air Wick Crisp Linen and Lilac 6-in-1 definitely does work for making slime. Just be really careful, because too much aerosol breathing in isn't good. So if you or your parents are going to make this, I would say do it outside. And if you're a child, do speak to your parent before you go ahead and do it. So yes, today's answer is a big yes, it did work, and you can make slime out of Air Wick. Leave me any more questions you've got and I'll give them a go, and we'll see if we can get all the slime answers together. Have a great day. Bye.